Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your YouTube account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials. Make sure you are using the account linked to your YouTube channel. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once signed in, click on the Security tab located in the left-hand menu. This section contains all the security settings for your Google account. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section. Look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification and click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Start the setup process. Click on the Get Started button. You may need to re-enter your password for security purposes before proceeding to the next steps. Step 5. Choose your verification method. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Now your YouTube account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Remember to keep your recovery options updated to avoid being locked out of your account.